Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we have to study again how to find the volume of a cube. The first problem, the side measurement of a cube is 6 meters. Find the volume. So in computing the volume of cubes, we have to use the formula volume equals side cube. So that's why we need to multiply the side 3 times. So the given side of the cube is 6. So we have to multiply it by 6 times 6 times 6 equals 216 cubic meter is the volume. Okay, that's for number 1. Okay, number 2 problem. The base area of a cube is 25 squared centimeter and the side measurement is 5 centimeter. Find the volume. In this problem, the base area of a cube is given. So we have the same formula that we're going to use. Volume equals s to the third power, and this time we're going to split the s cubed to s squared times s, because the area of the base is given of the cube, so that's why we're going to have the s squared. Then now we're going to change or substitute that the s squared, the base area, is equals to 25 times the side 5. So we have the volume of 125 cubic centimeter. Or maybe the same if we're going to compute, use the s cube without splitting the formula, we have the same result, because the side of the cube is 5. 5 times 5 times 5 also the same 125 cubic centimeter. Okay, next. Okay, number 3. The volume of a cube is 343 cubic meter. Find the side of a cube. our solution, we have to use again the same formula of finding a volume of a cube. We have volume equals s to the third power. So to solve, we have to substitute volume to 343 because it is given, and the s cube, the side is not given. And then our next step is to find the cube root of 343. And for the cube root of s cube is s. So that's why the side now is equals to 7 meter.